So actually we stayed last night here, so it just cost us 1,000 rupees, and you can see here it's a simple one, just a 2 beds. So we stayed here and we are leaving from here, and from here the Bhima Shankar temple was just 4 kilometers away. Bye. See you can the morning views from here. Here we took a break, and it's the time at almost 10:45, and we took a breakfast, and here we took a misal pav and another misal vada and misal thali. We took it, and it's just 100 kilometers from the Trimbakeshwar temple. So you can see we have parked our bike here, and that is National Highway 60. And so I think it will take almost 2 hours to go there, almost 1 hour only if the road was correct, but we are going to follow the national highway, so might be it will taking us to 45 to 50 minutes or else 1 hour maximum. So we'll be there at 1 or something if it takes 2 hours. Yes guys, we just met two guys. They are from like where, किधर से आ रहे हो भाई आप?
यूपी
उत्तर प्रदेश से?
हाँ।
दोनों?
हाँ, दोनों लोग
अब किधर चल रही है?
अभी जा रहे हैं
त्र्यंबकेश्वर।
भीमा शंकर।
ओ भीमा शंकर। अब त्र्यंबकेश्वर चलते हैं आफ्टर दैट?
भीमा शंकर जाएंगे।
भीमा शंकर।
औरंगाबाद में है ना घृणेश्वर,
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
वहाँ भी जाना है, तो वहाँ से होके जाए।
ओहो।
इधर देखा।
And we are going to get darshan now, and we are ready with full traditional dress, and we already booked the tickets, and I don't know like how much time it will take, and I might be some 30 to 40 minutes I guess, but people said that it took for them 3 to 4 hours for normal darshana. So we booked the tickets already, so I thought it will be 30 to 40 minutes maximum. So there is a temple, so now we go there. Bro, we need to go inside there. I saw there is a board is there.
इधर इधर लेफ्ट से चलो।
Trimbakeshwar temple. So inside we need to go here. There the entrance is. So here a lot of people are asked for the parking, and they will park your vehicles in their home premises, and they will just charge for your money. But we took a simple room, cost 100,000 rupees, and so we are staying there, and we are going to get darshana now. You can see here. And you can see this is the street, how it looks at evening, and this we will explore at the after the getting darshana. So I think we need to go there board. We booked the ticket. This is the way to donation darshan. Here,
way to go।
donation darshan. So this is the way of donation darshan per person 200. Here, there we need to go and we need to write. So I am going inside. Pahila ticket is after way to darshan, and we got it. And this is the way. We have way to darshan, and you can see there. And entire darshan there will be no one is there, and we are getting darshan. It's actually when we booked on this darshan, right? As you can see, this much lines you need to go. This is the temple, guys. Actually, this is the
देखते हैं
उज्जैन આપણે ઉજ્જૈન
મેદુ પાક
હા ઉજ્જૈન
ठीक है जाओ जाओ तुम मेदु पाक देता हूँ
Actually, inside the mobile is not allowed, and we came from outside. It almost took us just 30 minutes only. So you can see there a lot of people are still on the waiting, and this is the temple premises, and the only Garbhagudi is there, and they have built it around it, and something still a construction work is going on, and but the temple is too much beautiful, guys. You can see whatever. This is the temple. Here you can see the wall of the temple, and still it's the same, and the Garbhagudi is there, and they are building new structure, and again I think something they are installing. Now this is the Garbhagudi, the temple, and inside we have to go, and a small hall is there, and this is I think Mantapa, and this is how the temple looks. And after all, guys, here you can see the temple still work is going on, and here for some just finished darshan at Trimbakeshwar, and I'm honestly speechless. The energy inside is incredible. It feels like Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar are blessing you together. This is the birthplace of the holy Ma Godavari, and you can truly feel that divine power. After the 230-kilometer ride from the bike, I learned something from Triambaka Raja. When you surrender with faith, every struggle turns into strength, and every journey becomes beautiful, heartful, mind calm, and blessing with us.
क्या करें जगराता अब करें अभी थक गए हैं हम पहाड़ के किनारे
And here you can read the history of this. भाई
सेवा करें धर्मो रक्षति रक्षिता क्या धर्मो रक्षत रक्षिता यानी जो धर्म की रक्षा करता है धर्म की रक्षा करता है कर्म प्रधान विश्व कर राखा जो जिस करे सो तस फल चाखा उद्यम साहसम धैर्यम बुद्धिम शक्तिम पराक्रम शरणित यत्र वर्तन्ति तत्र दो सहायक तो 6 गुण है उद्यम साहसम साहस धैर्यम धैर्य ऊपर ही भावार्थ श्लोक का बोल रहा हूँ संस्कृत उद्यम साहसम धैर्यम बुद्धि यानी माइंड ब्रेन उससे काम करें हम बुद्धि शक्ति पराक्रम 6 गुण जिसके पास होते उसके देवता सहायता करते मैं ऐसा दुआ दिया हूँ.
Yes, actually we came here at Trimbakeshwar temple. You can see there it looks, and so here inside they said that there is no allowed for everything camera. So we came from there special darshana and Deni darshana, and from there we entered the temple, and so we are here circle. Now we are going to explore the Trimbakeshwar. चलो we'll go to explore here to buy something. चलेगा इसके अंदर.
थैंक यू भैया.
कौन सा रिंग है बे?
अरे कल जो लिए थे
इससे
ये कड़ा लो त्रिम्बकेश्वर का लिखा हुआ था
कितना नहीं
भोजन में आने
इतना जल्दी का है क्या?
8 बज गया भाई. खाओ के आराम से जाते रूम और क्या करेंगे. त्रिम्बकेश्वर का रिंग है क्या? रिंग वगैरह
बाप रे,
ये सब रिंग उंग ले लो और क्या।
ये ले लेंगे क्या?
पूछो तो भैया ये कितना है?
50 रुपये
ले लो
भैया ये दे दो, एक पैसा दे दो,
दो ले लो।
दो दे दो।
हे भाई एक जगह दे दीजिए। एक फिक्स दाम है भैया।
As I said, in every Jyotirlinga I'm going to buy something for my YouTube content. So today in Triambakeshwar I bought this one. As a simple, who are going to comment the videos, then I am sending to them. And
पर आपने क्वालिटी
वाह भैया
90 रुपये दे दिए इस पर
मिस्टर साहेब प्रो नामदेव तंबे
तांबे